If you're facing billing issues on Shopify, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate through common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Review your billing information. Check your account settings to ensure that your billing information is accurate. Look for any discrepancies in your credit card details, billing address, and payment method. Step 2. Check for pending charges. Log into your Shopify account and review your billing history. Look for any pending charges or recent transactions that may explain the issue. This can help you identify if there are any unexpected fees. Step 3. Contact Shopify support. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Shopify's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including screenshots if necessary to help them assist you more effectively. Step 4. Review Shopify's billing policies. Familiarize yourself with Shopify's billing policies and terms of service. Understanding these can help clarify any charges that you may not recognize and provide context for your billing issues. Step 5. Update payment method. If your payment method is outdated or has expired, update it in your account settings. This can prevent future billing issues and ensure that your subscription remains active without interruptions. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you encounter on Shopify. If issues persist, continue to seek support until a resolution is reached.